Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to solve another interesting equation, like if we have a value of a plus 2ab plus b equals to 8, then we need to find out the value of a plus b. So let's get started. Okay. We have the equation a plus 2ab plus b equals to 8. Now we are going to multiply both sides by 2, like a plus 2ab plus b equals to 8 dot 2. Now we get 2a plus 4ab plus 2b equals to 16. Now we add by 1 both sides, like this, 16 plus 1. So here we can get by the value taking common 2a equals to 2a into 1 plus 2b, and if we take common 1, that will be 2b plus 1, and the equation will be equals to 17. Now we can write this 2a 2b plus 1 plus 1 2b plus 1 equals to 17. Now here both sides we get 2b plus 1 and 2b plus 1. So we are going to take common 2b plus 1. So the rest part will be 2a plus 1 is equal to 17. Now here we are getting the two expression products is equals to 17. 17 can be expressed like 17 into 1 or minus 70 into minus 1. So for positive case if 2a plus 1 or 2a, for positive case 1, 2a 1 is equal to 17 into 1, then we consider 2b plus 1 is equal to 17, like this will be same like this. Okay, so we are getting 2b equals to 17 minus 1, 2b equals to 16, or b equals to 16 by 2, like that will be cancelled, like 8. So we are getting the value of b equals to 8. Again, now 2a plus 1 will be 1 if we compare both sides. Now if we move that 1 to right hand side, like 1 minus 1, that is 2a equals to 0. Now if we divided both sides by 2, like this, so we are getting the value of a is equal to 0. For positive cases, for the second case 2, if 2b plus 1 is equal to 1, then 2b equals to 1 minus 1, that is 0. If we divide it by 2 both sides, then b will be 0. Again, that 2a plus 1 equals to 17, and 2a plus equals to 17 minus 1, and 2a is equal to 16, and if we divide by 2 both sides, we get a is equal to 8. So if we, for positive cases, all the positive case, the value of a plus b will be either 8 plus 0 equal to 8, or a plus b equals to 0 plus 8 equals to 8. So for both these cases it will be 8. Now for if we consider the minus cases, like 2b plus 1 and 2a plus 1 equals to minus 17 into minus 1. For case 1, for negative cases, negative scenario, for case 1, if we take 2b plus 1 equals to minus 17, then if we move that 1 to this side, that means right hand side, that will be minus 1. Now 2b equals to minus 18, and b equals to minus 18 by 2, and b equals to minus 9, and similarly 2a plus 1 will be minus 1. Then 2a, if we move to 1 to right hand side, it will be 1 minus 1 minus 1, that will be 2a equals to minus 2, and if we divide by 2 both sides, then 2 cancel out, a equals to minus 1. Again for second case, case 2, 2b plus 1 equals to minus 1, then 2b equals to minus 1 minus 1, then 2b equals to minus 2. If we divide it by 2 both sides, then we will get by 2, and it will cancel out, and we get the value of b is equal to minus 1. Similarly 2a plus 1 is equal to minus 17, 2a equals to minus 17 minus 1, 2a equals to minus 18. If we divide by 2 both sides, we will get like this, then 2 cancel out, a equals to minus 9. So here if we find the value of a plus b in the first case, minus 9 minus 1 equals to minus 10, a plus b equals to minus 1 minus 9 equals to minus 10. So generally we can say that the value of a plus b should be either minus 10 or 8. That's it. So we have the values of a plus b is equal to positive integer 8 or minus 10. So I hope you understand the explanation. Thank you for your time. So see you in the next video. Have a great day. Take care.